Have you ever clicked on something only to find it doesn't respond the way you expect? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a tricky issue with one-click events in Internet Explorer. I completely understand how annoying it can be when your code works perfectly in one browser, but fails in another. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges, especially with older browsers like Internet Explorer. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user has shared an HTML code snippet where the one-click event only works when clicking on text within a table cell in Internet Explorer 10 and 11. They want to know if this is a known bug or if there's something in their code causing the issue. So what could be causing this? Internet Explorer has some quirks, especially with disabled elements. In this case, the one-click event may not trigger as expected when the TD is disabled, which is a known limitation in IE. And don't go anywhere. I've got a workaround at the end that can help you achieve the desired functionality without complicating your code. To address the issue with the one-click event in Internet Explorer, the user should first understand that the disabled attribute on a table cell can prevent click events from being triggered properly. Next, the user can consider removing the disabled attribute from the table cells. Instead, they can use CSS to visually indicate that the cells are not interactive. The user can then add a class to the table cells to style them as disabled. This way, they can still capture click events while appearing disabled to the user. Finally, the user should implement a JavaScript function to handle clicks on the table cells. This function can check if the cell is marked as disabled before executing any action. Fun fact, Internet Explorer was once the most popular web browser, but it has since been overshadowed by modern browsers. It's like the old flip phone that just can't keep up with smartphones. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. According to another user, disabled elements do not respond to mouse events. They tested the code in Internet Explorer 11 and found that it works without the disabled property. They also tried adding the one-click event to a div, which worked as well, as long as the disabled attribute was removed. Here's the workaround I promised. Use CSS for styling and JavaScript for functionality. This way, you can maintain a clean code base while ensuring compatibility across browsers. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your one-click events should work seamlessly across all browsers. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we tackle more coding challenges.